In today's video, I'm going to show you how to add a blur effect in Figma. This is a quick and easy technique that's perfect for backgrounds, modals, overlays, or highlighting important elements in your design. First, open your design file in Figma and select the object or image where you want to apply the blur. This could be a rectangle, an image, or even a group of elements. Once the element is selected, look at the right-hand panel. Scroll down until you find the Effects section. Click on the plus icon next to Effects to add a new effect. By default, Figma applies a drop shadow, but you can click on it and change the effect type to blur. Now you'll see different blur options. Layer blur blurs only the selected element itself, while background blur blurs whatever is behind the element, which is great for glass or overlay effects. Adjust the blur value using the slider until it looks right for your design. You can also toggle the effect on and off to compare before and after. And that's it. You've successfully added a blur effect in Figma. It's a simple feature, but it can instantly make your designs look more polished and professional. If this quick guide helped you, share it with your friends, and don't forget to subscribe for more Figma tips and design tutorials.